Hi everyone, I wanted to share a quick unboxing of my HOVERair X1, but also something more important, my experience with HOVERair team, because honestly, it deserves to be talked about. I'll be honest, my journey with this drone didn't start perfectly. Things happen, technology isn't always flawless. And I had an issue with my original X1. What truly impressed me wasn't just the product, it was how HOVERair handled everything afterward. From the very first message, their customer support was warm, human, and genuinely caring. I never felt like just another ticket number. Derek, in particular, was absolutely amazing. He was kind, patient, and incredibly responsive. Every message felt personal, reassuring, and honest. I just have to say that the replacement process was smooth, fast, and stress-free. And I was honestly surprised by how quickly everything was resolved and how supported I felt the entire time. I've dealt with many tech companies before, and I can honestly say this: very few brands stay this close to their customers. HOVERair truly listens, and it shows. That's why I'm really happy to be part of the HOVERair community. This isn't just a drone, it's a company that stands behind its product and its people. Again, thank you to Derek, Ingrid, and the entire HOVERair support team. You turned a problem into a positive experience, and that means everything